Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to copy and paste in WordPad. So for example, we have here image and text. If you would like to copy and paste them, you need to click on the object that you want to copy. So I select this one image, and then I can use shortcut Ctrl+C from my keyboard to copy it, or I can click right mouse button here and select copy. Then I click on the location where I want to paste it. For example, I click here, and then I can click Ctrl+V to paste it, or I can click right mouse button here and click paste. Okay, our image has been successfully pasted here, so we can repeat this action with text. So I select the text, and then I can click right mouse button and select here copy, or I can use shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it. Then I press enter, and for example I will paste it here. You can select here right mouse button and click paste, or you can click here to paste the text. So I click here, and the result will be the same. So it is how you can easily copy and paste text and images in WordPad. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.